Hey, if you're a coach, consultant, or course creator wanting to make ads work for your business, pay close attention to this video. My name is Ivana Boshnak, and I have been marketing online for many years now. But truth be told, getting ads to work for my business took a long time. Well, the journey went this way. I started picking up many different courses to figure out how this worked, and I ended up spending quite a bit of money. On the first course that I picked up, it was $297 for the course, but I ended up spending $3,000 in ad budget with zero conversions, which means I had no leads out of that. I had no sales out of that, and I was really frustrated. The next time around, I picked up a really expensive coaching program, which was $3,000, ended up spending $500 on the ad budget, and I ended up getting one conversion. Now, a lot of people would have given up at this point, but I don't give up because that one conversion meant this actually worked, right? Now, over the years, I've mastered many different advertising strategies that work very simply for coaches, consultants, course creators, and even local businesses. And I want to share that with you in Ads Growth Academy program. Now, this program you can get access to right below this video, and it's going to show you multiple methods that actually work very well for coaches, consultants, and local businesses, as well as course creators. So all you have to do is pick it up right below this video. Now, what is included in this training? We actually have many different sections, and I like to create the training material that's straight to the point, explaining you exactly what you need to do. But in order for your ads to work, as it took me to figure out, is actually the mindset around the ads. It's not so much this actual setup of the ads. It's more understanding the message and understanding the audience before you put your ad and make your ad to work. So what we are giving you is first two pre-training sections, and these sections are going to show you exactly how to make this work. The next steps are going to be to implement these different strategies that will work for you. There's one that's just set and forget. It's going to take you maybe an hour to put together. We give you the actual copy to use. We give you the image, and we move forward through the whole section, showing you step by step how to do this. So it's very easy to implement, and you have a lot of feedback from other members sharing exactly how they felt about the training. But that's not the best part. The best part is that on a monthly basis, we are going to jump on a live coaching call. So you're not going to be left alone trying to figure all of this out. We are actually going to break down the active campaigns, look at the optimization. We are going to talk about how to better structure your campaigns and all kinds of goodies. So if you would like to be part of this, all you have to do is click on the button right below this video, and we look forward to seeing you on the inside.